Galdenish. Welcome to the Philippine Embassy in Ankara. Also, welcome to the virtual world because at the moment, my test. So we're mostly online, and so there will be those glitches. Apologies, but thank you, esteemed guests who are here in person and also online over Zoom and Facebook Live. It is my pleasure and privilege to share with you, with all of you, Tara na sa Pinas, let's explore the Philippines during Christmas Ambassadors Tour. Tara na sa Pinas is a collaborative effort of various foreign service posts from across the globe, the Department of Foreign Affairs, the Department of Tourism, the Department of Migrant Workers, and the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration. The best way to truly understand a country and its people and culture is through actual immersion. And the various foreign service posts partnered with Radyo Tours Philippines, which is an expert in the field, to craft a unique experience of the Philippines for Filipinos and foreigners alike in a very special moment of the year, which is Christmas. I must say, the most exciting part of the year in the Philippines. When many Filipinos from all over the world come home, and many foreigners as well come and visit and experience the season of Christmas. Tara na sa Pinas provides a platform to explore and experience the richness of the Philippines' cultural heritage, its people, its food, delicacies, and its places. This year, participants will experience Manila as the capital hub, as well as the two very popular destinations, Cebu and Bohol. Through its immersive experiences and collaborative format, Tara na provides a meaningful platform for overseas Filipinos to reconnect with their roots and for foreigners to appreciate and experience the beauty of the Philippines. Greater understanding of the Philippines for both Filipinos and foreigners alike creates a mutually beneficial cycle of understanding where our kababayan can better appreciate their own country as well as cater to their own well-being, while providing an avenue for foreigners to truly understand the hidden depth of Philippine culture and in turn develop into greater respect for Filipinos. At this juncture, I wish to acknowledge, because we are online, some of our partners, various foreign service posts from Istanbul, from Ambassador Melihor from Abuja, our beloved ambassador, our foreign service post from Baghdad, Ambassador Fred Santos, his father was my teacher and mentor at a young age at the foreign service. We have also the foreign service post in The Hague, Berlin, Cairo, from Amman, from Baghdad, Paris, Vienna, and Athens. Those foreign service posts which can actually join us in this launch. To you, my colleagues in the foreign service post, my gratitude and appreciation, and looking forward to a collaborative effort on this particular event this December. On the screen, you can see some of the participating posts which I have just mentioned. On that note, without further ado, may I introduce to you through a video presentation the Tara na sa Pinas, Exploring the Philippines During Christmas Ambassadors Tour.